Hey guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Fitbit Charge 2. I got it at Sam's, so let's get on with the unboxing. There it is. Wow. So we have that came out of, I got it at Sam's, so it was a bundle and now I see why. So let's see if I got two bands. Let's hope so. Fitbit Charge 2 band. Well, let's hope in the box it also has a band. It's supposed to be the black and this is blue. So let's see. So first let's take them out of their plastic. We have this here. And it's large. Let's put the band on the side. And let's unbox the device itself. So let's look at the box. Here we have it, the Fitbit Charge 2. Screen is nice and big here. Does heart rate, pulse, all day tracking, sleep, multi-sport tracking, smartphone notification, and you can change the bands, which is very good compared to the Charge HR, which has some problems. It's a large size. And here it is, Charge 2. Stainless steel tracker, black band. And then we have all the other stuff. Does the workout, get active, sleep, try to make you sleep better, sync, longer battery life. Pretty cool. And here's where you could see whether you need the small or the large. The extra large you usually have to order it online. It's water resistant and works with the ARIA smart scale, very smart scale, which I think I need to get on. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Let's pull off this thing here, this tape. And pull it out, nice. I must say the packaging is pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's like opening a piece of jewelry, like a watch or something. Whoa, there it is. Pretty cool. So here we have the manual or something. Yeah, this is the manual. Okay. This is like a box right here. Peel it up, peel off this tape. And here we have the charging cable. Whoa, take it faster. This charger is different from anything I've ever seen. Interesting. It's a USB charger, and the pad that goes to the band is pretty interesting. I guess you just put the band in here and you clip it in. So pretty cool, interesting. There is the Fitbit itself. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So it's a black large. And right here is where you take off the bands, here and here. See how it fits? I will wear it on my left hand even though I'm right. On my right hand even though I'm right-handed because I want to wear it as a wristband. It's pretty cool. It fits right. So I like it. So here we have it. We have the Fitbit Charge 2. I'm so excited. Can't wait to go and set it up and link it to my iPhone. And here you go to set up. Can't wait. I love it. The feel of the band is nice. The screen is much bigger. I love it. I like it. Great product so far. Now we saw in the bundle, in the Sam's bundle, I got an extra band. And I'll do another video of me swapping out the black bands with the blue band. So stay tuned and look for it. I'll put a link in the descriptions below of this video to see when I do this one. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch my other Fitbit videos. Thank you.